So hello students, in this video we will be studying about what are the rating symbols or grades which is given by the credit rating agencies. Okay, in the previous video we have studied about what is the meaning of credit rating and what is the process of credit rating. In this video we will study what are the ratings, how they will give to the investors by doing various process. Okay, here what happens, rating symbols means are nothing but which are given into symbolic expressions of the through their opinions or the assessment of the their credit rating agencies. These are done through regarding the investment or credit quality or grade of the depth of obligations or through the instrument. Okay, in India we have certain types of credit rating agency. I have told as a CRISIL or as a CARE. These are the various agency. First, what they will do to do all the survey about the about the issuers, and they will give ratings according to them. Hope for that you should first you should go and watch the process of credit rating. Okay, I will study what kind of ratings or what type of grades they will give the credit rating agency. Okay, first we will study about rating symbols for long term debt instruments. What are the symbols? Means for long term debt instruments this agency will give. See, we'll take example of credit rating agency as I told about CRISIL. Okay, if they have given any ratings, means what they will do, how they will do ratings means, first they will write their agency name CRISIL, and afterwards they will give symbols A or B or A. First they will put their agency names, afterwards they will give ratings. Same way we have one more agency like CARE. We have CARE. First they will write their agency name, afterwards they will give ratings. Means this CARE agency have given this much symbolics to that much to the organizations or the individuals or to the countries. Through this they will give ratings to the companies or individuals or to the countries. First we'll study about through long term debt instruments. These are the various rates they have given. First is triple A. AA means, in this they have mentioned that there will be the highest degree of safety. In this means this through these instruments with the rating care are considered that to have highest degree of safety through timing or servicing of the financial obligations. And in this AA rating where the credit risks will be low. Means suppose if any investor have to invest in that company, means they will say that we have investigated, if you invest in that company means there will be the highest degree of safety as well as there will be a low credit risk. Same way if they have given ratings like double A, it means there will be the highest degree of safety. Means they are considered to have degree of safety regarding timely services, but they carry very low risk of credit risk. First in that the credit risk will be low, credit risk will be lowest, but in this also double aim there will be highest degree of safety as well as they will tell that there will be a low credit risk. Next comes a adequate degree of safety. Means in this instrument rating considered to have adequate degree of safety, and they says that there will be a comparable low credit risk. Next comes triple B, moderate degree of safety. Means there will be, means this A will be the highest, but B what happens means minimum degree of safety. Means low percentage of degree of safety is there. In this considered to have moderate degree of safety, as well as they will say there will be a low credit risk. Next comes BB, means moderate risks of default. Means if you invest in that money in the company, means there will be a default. Means your money will be cannot come easily, they will say in BB. means in this there will be a moderate risk of default as well as financial obligations. Next comes B. They will say there will be a high risk of default. In this BB, what they have said, low risk of default will be there. When they will give rate like B or B grade, means where there is the high risk of default, automatically the debts are not easily recoverable. Next C means very high risk of default. Next last D means default or accepted to default soon, means the company will be not have the able to pay the money. Next comes rating symbols for short term debt instruments, previous for long term. In this the maturity period will be 1 year, short term. Next A1 means they will say there will be a very strong degree of safety, means if you invest money in that, means your money will be safe and the interest will be on regular basis, as well as there will be a low credit risk in A1. Next in A2 means there will be a low means strong degree of safety as well as low credit risk, means instruments with this rating are considered to have strong degree of regarding the payment will be timely payment, and they will say there will be low credit risk. Next comes A3 means in this there will be a moderate degree of safety and carry high credit risks. In this A3 there will be the high credit risks as well as the degree of safety of money will be a minimum, means low. A4 means minimal degree of safety and where the risks will be high and soon may can happen default means where the money cannot easily recoverable. Next A5 means same default or the company will be on the default on the loss basis. Next comes rating symbols for structural financial instruments for long term. In long term they have given ratings like triple A. Yes, O means where there will be the high safety. In ASO in this first triple A there will be the highest safety, means where the money will be safety if we invest, where the timely payment will be happen. If ASO means high safety will be there, ASO means adequate safety, means minimum safety will be there. Next triple means moderate safety, BB also means moderate safety, BSO means where there will be high risks. In this CSO very high risks. Next DSO means where the default position will be happen. Next comes rating symbols for short term structure. In this the rating will be same, but in A1SO very strong degree of safety and credit risk will be low. A2 means strong degree of safety where carries low credit risks. A3 means moderate degree of safety, high credit of risk. A4 means minimum safety as well as the credit risk will be higher. In last DSO means where the default may happen means where the money cannot be easily recovered. These are the grading system of or symbols of credit rating agency, means how the agency will give their ratings according to the doing various inspections or going to their plants and investigations, all the raising through that they will give this type of rating agency. Okay, as I told, there are many India agency, credit rating agency, like we have CRISIL, we have K. These are the various number of Indian agency where they will give ratings to their investors.